If you need a compact, efficient monochrome printer for home or small office use, the Brother HL-L2460DW delivers fast, reliable black and white printing in a small footprint. It's designed to handle everyday printing tasks while keeping operating costs low. The printer offers high-speed performance, printing up to 36 pages per minute with crisp text and sharp graphics at a resolution of 1200 x 1200 dpi, making it suitable for professional documents and reports. Connectivity options are versatile, including dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, Ethernet, and USB. It also supports mobile printing via AirPrint, Mopria, Wi-Fi Direct, and the Brother Mobile Connect app, allowing you to print directly from smartphones and tablets. Paper handling is straightforward, with a 250-sheet input tray and a manual feed slot for different media types. It also supports automatic duplex, two-sided printing, saving paper, and simplifying multi-page jobs. The compact design ensures the printer fits neatly on a desk or shelf, measuring just 14.2 at 14 x 7.2 inches and weighing around 16 pounds, making it ideal for limited spaces. For toner management, the HL-L2460DW is eligible for the Brother Refresh Easy Print subscription, which automatically delivers toner before you run out, reducing interruptions and helping control costs. The printer also offers smart home integration, working with Amazon Alexa to allow voice-controlled printing and status updates, adding convenience to your workflow. In conclusion, the Brother HL-L2460DW is a reliable, fast, and versatile monochrome printer. Its combination of speed, duplex printing, mobile connectivity, and subscription-based toner management makes it ideal for home offices, small businesses, and students.